Okay, this is just a quick email so we can start kind of wrapping up this whole thing of getting used to using Canvas and finding all my information. This is the home page of my class. Some will be 135, 136, 134A. First off, the Zoom meeting is a link, and you can actually click this link and it will take you to the Zoom meeting. If that does not work, you need to email me as soon as possible. You could even hit the button now and just see if anything pops up for you to go to the meeting, and if it doesn't send you to a waiting room, then you won't be able to reach it. But you can do that at any time. In terms of this link, it is always open. The only thing is somebody has to be in there. A administrator has to be in that room to let you in, but you can always check it out by just clicking this button and seeing. In terms of your work, whenever you go to do your work, it's all over here. So when I want to watch video 1.1b, I do that. It should pull it up. I hope it does. And it's right here. So here's your video. You click play on the video, it starts the video for you. Everything goes the way it's supposed to go. You see that there is a sorry, I don't want to talk over myself, but you see that there is a mark here. That means that you have to answer this question to get your credit. You also have closed captioning. You have the ability to make this video, I guess it does go full screen, so you have the ability to make that there by hitting that button. But that's pretty much your Edpuzzle part. Then you go to MathXL. That's already here. After you watch that, you go to MathXL. That's going to take you to a whole new page. You hit sign in, and you would do something like SE, because everybody's passwords starts the same, SE and your lunch pin. So whatever your lunch pin is there, and then when you go to do your password, hit show and type in student. Everyone has the same password, 1. So again, if this is my lunch pin, I would do SE that, and then my password is student 1. I go in there. Let me show you from my side. Go on my side without showing you my password, and actually I won't do that just yet. But anyway, going back to this Zoom meeting here, work over here. If you want to go back to these parts here and you don't see it, you can always go to your assignments, which is on this side, and choose them from here. Again, it depends on when it's able to be open. Again, this is some of those don't open until a certain time because I have them listed ahead of time. If you don't know how to navigate Edpuzzle, or you have an issue with the Edpuzzle part, there's your information there. It's going to tell you about what you should expect. If you don't understand MathXL, first off, there's your reminder on this SE lunch pin password student 1. You can click that button. It's going to actually do what I was going to do with your password there. So you have your online calculator that will actually take you to an online calculator. And if you don't know how to use that online calculator, I even made a video for that. You have an online textbook. You have all these things that you need to make sure you're ready to use, because if you don't, then it's going to be tough whenever you have an issue for me to help you if you don't at least know the basic stuff. And at the bottom you have a welcome video that will pretty much explain everything on this page for you. But again, make sure you are caught up on this. And again, if there's any issues getting to Zoom right now, like if you can't click the Zoom button and end up in the waiting room, then you're not going to be able to get into the meeting, because the only difference between when I have you in class and when I don't have you in class is that when we're in class, I will allow you into the room. So you should still be able to add to get to the waiting room no matter if I am waiting for you or not. So click that Zoom button to make sure that that gets you where you need to be. If it asks for a password, the password is 123456. So try that out, like I said, and let me know. But make sure you start communicating, because we are now in the second week and we need to make sure that we are minimizing the amount of reasons why we say that we can't make a Zoom meeting, or we can't do the homework, or we can't find the Edpuzzle. So make sure we do that, and let's go from there. Other than that, that is it, and have a good day.